So this is the 2024?
23.
2023 Power Boost
Yeah.
Ford.
Ford.
Yun.
See? Electric and gas. Nice leather seat. Big sunroof. All the way there to the back. And all leather seat. No?
Yeah, leather.
See? That's how it cool.
Can tell you.
Yeah, he tell you where the nice car. Love it. Mine is 2021. This is 2023 model. You can even hear the big sounds on my truck. Boom, boom, boom,
No,
boom.
no, it's gas, that's why.
Huh?
The gas, that's why.
Yeah.
This is not gas. Didn't make a noise.
Yeah. It's because it's electric.
Yeah.
Nice.
The Jeep burns so much gas. I told her, complain every day to my son. Every day. I complain every